Hello everyone, and welcome to this second video in our series on COVID-19. This time, we are looking at what treatments are being worked on. For this video, we'll focus on the vaccine research because it's a great example of the insight unstructured data can provide. Through open source research, we've gathered the information with our web browser add-on. Once we are done with data collection, we can focus on answering the question. Using Reknowledge advanced queries, we asked to see all the organizations we identified working on a vaccine. A query on the first degree of separation already yields some result. We can see we have a few universities and quite a lot of companies working on a vaccine. We use our visualization customization to easily differentiate universities from businesses. Next, we extend the queries to all organizations working on a vaccine at 2 degrees of separation. So we are getting a much more comprehensive pictures, because this also includes partner organizations. Once we've organized our canvas, we have a clearer picture of the various teams working on the COVID-19 vaccine. While it's interesting to see how the various companies and research organizations are partnering up, it's even more interesting to understand who are the financial backers for those researchers. Using Reknowledge chain queries capabilities, we can simply add a new clause to our earlier search parameters, asking for all organizations and countries with financial connection to the organization working on the vaccine. Immediately, we can see a lot of the COVID-19 financial response is channeled through 2 main organizations: the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation, or CEPI, which is a foundation that finances research projects to develop vaccines against emerging infectious disease, and the COVID-19 Therapeutic Accelerator that seeks to replicate what the CEPI does with vaccine for treatment. While CEPI gets funding from state and private organizations, the COVID-19 Therapeutic Accelerator gets most of its funding from private organizations such as the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, MasterCard, and Wellcome. Finally, national governments are also funding their own separate effort. The UK government has contributed cash to the Department of Infectious Disease from Imperial College and to the Oxford Vaccine Group, which is part of the Oxford University. The Australian authorities are financing the Queensland University's research, and in the US, the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority has given $483 million in April to Moderna and $450 million to Johnson & Johnson. While we have detailed information about the amount handed to Johnson & Johnson and Moderna, currently the amount given to Sanofi is undisclosed. But we know such financement exists, so we can capture this fact. And if we come across more detail, we can add it to the connection scorecard. That's all for this case study on the vaccine research and its financing. Next time, we'll have a look at the increasing politicization of scientific research. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and register on our website for an early access to Reknowledge.